The home buying process was not designed for people like us. The pressure to decide on the spot, the sensory overload of walking through 6, 7, 8 houses in a day. It's a system built for neurotypical brains, and nobody talks about that. So let's fix it. Hey, I'm Shay. I'm a local real estate agent here in Calgary, and I'm autistic. And honestly, that's one of the reasons I'm so good at this job, because I understand firsthand how overwhelming this process can be, and I've rebuilt the way I work around that. It also does help that this is my special interest. So, yeah. Let me walk you through the standard home buying process and show you where it fails neurodivergent buyers. We're going to start at number 1 here with the initial overwhelm. So, most agents hand you a pre approval checklist, throw you on an MLS portal, and say, let me know what you like. That's like handing someone with executive dysfunction a 400-page menu and saying, just pick something. Like, what the hell? I'm sorry. Instead, I break it into small, manageable steps. We start with one conversation. What do you actually need? Not 50 listings, just clarity. Second, the showing marathon. The industry standard is booking 5 to 8 showings in a day, back to back. Different neighborhoods, new sensory environments every 20 minutes. For a lot of us, that's a guaranteed shutdown by house number 4. So I cap showings. We do 2, 3, 4 max. I send you the details ahead of time so there's no surprises. And if you need to sit in the car for 10 minutes between houses, we sit in the frickin' car for 10 minutes between houses. You know? All right, number 3, the pressure to decide. You need to offer today or you'll lose it. That's real. Sometimes the market does move fast, but a good agent prepares you for that in advance, so it's not a panic decision. I walk you through your offer strategy before we even start looking. So when the moment comes, you already know your plan. There's no snap decisions, and you're not going to have that regret in the future. All right. The paperwork avalanche comes in at number 4. So contracts, conditions, mortgage docs, lawyer stuff. It all hits at once, and it's a lot. I break every document down in plain language. I tell you exactly what you're signing and why. And I give you a timeline so you always know what's coming next and when. 5 is the emotional roller coaster. Offers rejected, inspections with bad news, financing hiccups. This process has real emotional peaks and valleys. And if you're someone who feels things intensely or needs time to process, that's not a weakness. That's just how your brain works. And my job is to be the steady one so you don't have to be. So here's the short version of how I work. Capped showings, no marathons. Details are sent in advance. There's no surprises. Plain language forever. Clear timelines so you always know what's next. Permission to take your time always. I'm direct. I don't sugarcoat, but I'm never going to rush you. If you're neurodivergent and you've been putting off buying a home because the process feels like too much, it does not have to be. You just need someone who gets it, and I do because I live with it. DM if you want to talk about what buying a home could look like at your pace. No pressure, literally ever. And feel free to check out the link in my bio or just send me a message, and I'll talk to you in the next one.